Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm finally gonna start sanding this bad boy. The 240 has been needing to get sanded for as long as I got it. It's not even funny. But you know me and this car, I have not made the progress I've wanted to make. We're heading over to Lonzo's shop. He's gonna let me borrow his sander. I have none of the tools to sand down the entire car. So we're just gonna get started. I have no idea where this vlog is gonna go. I have no idea how much I'm gonna get done. I have a couple things I want to do to the car still. I want to see if I can get to the speaker still. You guys saw that video. It was kind of a fail. I didn't get to finish it. God, I'm still rusty driving stick. I'm not gonna lie. It's driving funky. Oh, it is Monday. I got off work. Obviously with the heat, summer heat. Not throwing gas again. Last like 2 times I drove it, it was leaking fuel, so not good. I'm gonna miss the sunset. Let's see if I don't stall. I stalled last time coming up here. Oh, I didn't stop. We made it. And we made it to the sunset. Let's go look at the progress Lonzo has made on the BRZ. We gave him a deadline to have this be ready by 8/6 day. So we could obviously all take our 8/6s to 8/6 day. Cause that'll be fun. Oh!
Here it is, yeah, you see it.
Holy. It's raining, man. Oh my god.
Yeah, just pencil hole right through it. Yep.
Fuck.
It's crazy.
Tested a little patch. This is what I want. I need to get the car to red. The original color is red. So this is literally all like spray painted. So we gotta get rid of that. See, this has already been peeling from the few times that this car has been washed. It's my first time sanding a car, so Lonzo gave me some pointers. We're gonna learn as we go. If I get some pointers or tips, I will put them in. If you have any pointers or tips for me, also leave them down below because I'm not gonna finish this today, so I would love your guys' input on how to make this easier and faster. Let's see if it sticks.
Of course it sticks. Like, obviously it's not like the best wrap job. I'm just trying to show you that it sticks.
We got the sander. Starting off with 80 grit. We're gonna just try and get down to the red as fast as possible. Wish me luck.
This thing, what it does is circle. It goes up and down. Right there. Like, if it's red, kind of like move with me. You want everything as even as you can.
Okay. Alright. Went the whole video like this. It's tired already. Of course this would happen to me. It's not giving me issues. At least I was at Alonzo's shop and I wasn't in the middle of nowhere. We're trying to figure out what it could be right now. Also, got a new stereo set up. No. After this long and it finally gave a problem.
I drove him so long.
I know. It's like I finally start giving it some attention. It's like, boy. No. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
You put $80 in it, you said?
I filled it, but it probably leaked like
All of it,
a
though?
quarter. No.
Okay, but even then you didn't use it.
Yeah, I didn't drive it. This quality is so bad. My face is so dirty. I kept touching my face. I just wanted to go home and shower. I got spark. We're back with the 240. Said that he drove it to move it. What the hell? And he said that it turned on. So, let's see if it turned on me. Just crossed. What the heck? I don't know what happened. I really don't know. I'm gonna fix the speaker. If you guys remember and saw my fail video that I didn't finish of the speaker. I finished the other side, but just for recording purposes, I'm gonna show you guys this full side and hopefully everything goes by smoothly, unlike the other time when I literally gave up midway. This one had the wire. The other door didn't have it. Oopsie. I broke the clip. 35-year-old cars. Be careful. I have to the door handle. Other side don't have the door handle. The other side, I had literally ripped these off, so that is so much easier. Black to the negatives. Positive. Look at this. Such an upgrade. It has Bluetooth now. That is literally perfect. I just want to see if it works, and I'm gonna call it a day.